What's
Me.
red?
You like my new you like my new camo that I got?
Me.
Like my new
me.
camo
Oh,
that I
my
got?
Pokemon!
Hey,
Like
who
my
wants
new
to play
camo?
Russian roulette?
Me.
Look how big
You like
I
my
am!
camo?
I'm
You
on
like,
the map!
you like my skin camo?
Y'all are all my Pokemon!
Yeah,
Y'all are my Pokemon!
What the
Alright,
fuck?
wait, let me just shoot this gun 5 times. Oh, what's
Wait,
that?
watch, look at this one.
Guys, can someone buy me a gun? I'm bad.
Y'all are so
I have
tiny
not
compared
played
to me,
these
bro.
games.
Y'all are all my Pokemon.
Can
Someone help me. I've not played these games before.
I need something. I need a bag.
If we're being exact.
Who wants to play Russian
Oh,
roulette?
yeah, bro.
I want to play Russian roulette. Alright, bet. Come here.
Holy bro. Yo.
Have it.
Look at this shit.
1 pound fish. 6.5 pound. 1 pound fish. Yo, Echo.
You got
Shit.
it. What is that?
Want to buy anything?
What is that? Dang.
I can buy a
Bro, what is
winter
that?
beanie.
Alright,
That was
so,
I just didn't want that.
Guys,
Wait.
I'm a policeman. Bro, please do not.
don't, wait, eh?
I'm a police guy.
A.
I'm a police
Don't.
man.
A. Press A. So what code? Red? Alright. A. A.
I'm calling right now. I'm at the office.
Wait.
Alright.
Oh, wait, 1 sec.
See?
W. W.
Sucker!
Is it AW? Yeah. Alright. Q. Right here.
Hello.
Alright, now press the blue button.
I'm coming right now. I'm actually scared when this thing when you use this radio thingy.
Wait, bro, please do not kill me.
Okay.
I'll give you a bunch of stuff. I don't even take
Nah,
this
I'm not-
rocket launcher. Take the
The
rocket
rocket
I'm a
launcher.
police officer. I don't kill people
I'm
for no
new.
reason.
I'm new.
Wait, is this a PvP server?
Yes,
I don't
this
want to
is.
do any PvP.
You're
I'm
new?
just trying to- I'm just- I'm
Join my
friendly.
code.
I'm a friend.
Join my code.
Hey, you pretend
Yeah.
you're new.
Get back, everybody.
Do.
Get back.
Hi.
Oh, purple gym's easy. Get back.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
You better not kill him. Hey,
Did
police
someone give me a
officer, I will help you.
grappler?
I will help you.
I'm not killing you. I'm not gonna kill you. I'm not gonna kill you.
Hey, you better not.
Hey, put your hands up. Hey,
No ammo?
put your hands up. Dang it.
Please. I'm not gonna hurt you, bro. I just
You
wanna
got any in there?
Bro, I was just trying to sell my stuff.
Dang, this is
All my
5,000?
stuff is gone now.
This is 5,000?
Any assholes in.
Where's the revolver right now?
Wait,
Hey,
do you guys have
can someone give me-
RPGs unlocked? Do you guys have RPG ammo unlocked?
Hey. Why is that big? What happened
Alright,
to
I'm gonna go to
bro?
office.
What happened to bro? Oh no, is that a
How do you make that green?
Is that APK?
How do you make
Wait,
that green?
wait, I think I know what.
How do
Wait,
you make that green?
it's the new office map.
It's the office map.
Wait,
Yeah, I know
can
to go.
you I know in the new office map.
Make stuff big.
Yeah, you
They're
can.
green.
I have.
Alright, let's go to office,
I
man.
got
Black.
lances. I
I mean,
got.
let's go to office. Where are you, Black? You already at office?
Can you teach me how to do that?
Black? Black was the center? Where are you?
Q. Join. Wait, what is it called? Join QRSG to play Squid Game. We're giving away one backpack and what is it? Wait, what's two Mona Lisas and what's
Who's in office?
and wait, what's the code?
Yo, blue.
Me. Oh, yeah.
QRST. QRST.
QRS.
Do I enter now?
QRST.
What's the code?
Guys, who wants to go to office?
We're coming. We're in office vents right now. Where are you?
I'm inside office. That's why I want with more players and
Okay, we're coming. Are you on the second floor? We're here. Where are you?
you're in the second floor. I think I'm in the UV, like the little purple room, like
What's the code?
in there. After that, I think I went to another elevator. There's gonna be two directions. Leads towards a vacuum cleaner, and then after that, there's into another elevator.
I have no clue where you are. I think. Oh. I hear a revolver. Is that you with the revolver? Cause I heard a click.
No, that wasn't me.
Come to second floor. Where are you? Wait, no, Brett Blue.
No, I'm in the same level. Saw you in my tablet.
Okay, he's on third floor.
Was getting you. I need to be saved. I don't have no weapons.
I have a weapon.
Okay, kill that monster and please save me, please.
I think he just died. No, Blue, come back. I have a grenade. So, should I kill it?
No, I'm pretty low. It's just, I need help. Just kill that monster and then I'll be there. Please, kill that monster, please.
I killed him.
Please, try to find me. I don't know. I'm lost.
We're here. We're at purple room. Pink and blue. If I give you guys if I give you guys those exact same things, will you stop harassing me?
Gimme.
No.
Gimme. You're mean. You didn't even give it to me.
Animal
You
puppy.
didn't even give it. Wow. Wow. Guppy, I joined the code. My name is Timmy. You gotta give me. My name is Timmy. You have to give me. My name is Timmy. You have to give me. My name is